Well, okay, here I am, returning to the boat, and you can take a look around here. You notice there's snow on the ground. So it's been a while since I've been out here. It's just the way it worked out. Haven't had any time, it's the same reason why I had stopped fishing many years ago. The same reason happened this summer too. It's October 28th, by the way, right now. I just didn't have any time to actually get out there and fish. Never did get a chance to get a motor. I didn't get to check the rope or anything. So I'm going to have to try again next spring. And I'm going to get all this snow out of here today. I bought a boat cover. So I'm going to be I have an all-season boat cover I'm going to put on the top of it this year. So at least, and then next spring, try again. And I'm actually thinking maybe next spring, instead of even having the motor, I can just take it as it is, and use the oars, and won't go all the way across the lake or anything, but I can move around with it and just get some fishing in. But gosh, time. So that's how it is this year. I'm gonna go get that boat cover and take and shovel out all the snow here and get it set for winter. So, see you in a little bit. Talk to you in a little bit. Well, got most of the snow out. I think that'll do. And luckily, I did not throw the shovel out the boat cover along with the snow. I'm not the cover, the plug, I mean. So I did not lose that. I'll just have that sit right there on the seat. So it'll be up on the seat next spring, hopefully still. Now you got the boat cover over here open, the box open. So I'm gonna stick that up. I don't have anything to set the camera up right now. I'm just using my phone right now for recording. I left the GoPros at home. I just wasn't thinking of it, I guess. But I'm going to put the boat cover on, and the next clip it should be on, and I'll just show you the finished product that'll sit over winter. So, talk to you in a little bit. Oh, okay, here we are. There's the boat cover on the boat. Got it as tight as I could. There we go. We got straps on each back corner, and also, of course, going underneath the boat at 3 spots. And then also strapped right up to the front here. So no worries about the cover blowing off. I'm kind of concerned a little bit about snow getting on here. Kind of collecting. I'll put a lot of weight on here. But I don't know. I'll have to check it, throughout winter every now and then, and suppose I could put something underneath there and hold it up, But that's how it's going to be right now. So, I think that's going to wrap it up for this year. I did not get the fishing out on the lake at all. Went out a couple times before I started working on the boat. But now that the boat, most of the hard work is done now. And I do have it licensed. I just don't have the stickers on yet, but it is set. And the trailer is already licensed too. So, next spring, of course, I won't need to waste time doing all that work that I did this past year. And, those are days I could have been out on the lake, but I had to work and instead I won't have to do that next year. So maybe I'll get out a few times, but hopefully I'd really, really want to get this channel, fishing channel going. Be a lot of fun, I think. But that's where it is this fall of 2020. Got the boat ready for winter and pretty much ready for next spring. So that wraps it up for this video and maybe for this year. I don't have any plans going out doing any winter fishing or ice fishing, but we'll see. But otherwise, see you next spring. Hopefully.